Much for coming and gracing the event, sir. And once again, congratulations to మీకు చెప్పిన సాయి సౌజన్య గారికి చెప్పిన ఒకటే. సో కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. అండ్ ఎస్ నా హృదయం ఎక్కడుంది, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ హృదయం అక్కడే తిరుగుతుందని నాకు తెలుసు. సో ఎస్ విశ్వనాథ్ అండ్ సన్స్గా సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్ని మనందరికీ అందించిన సో ఎవర్ గ్రీన్ ఎవర్ హ్యాండ్సమ్ సూపర్ పర్ఫార్మర్ సూర్య గారు మాట్లాడతారు.
వెరీ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ అందరికి నమస్కారం. I love you, man. I love you all. I really love you all. I really don't have words to thank you. Thank you. This is a very, very beautiful evening. But Trivikram sir, thank you for your presence. You have made it even more special. Everything started with your clap and with your blessing, and it's come a beautiful circle now. Thank you for being here, and thank you for showering all your love and all your, last time I told that Midas touch. Thank you for always supporting this film and this venture. And to Sitara Entertainment, Vamshi Garu, that one call, every day, every evening till now, it's been a beautiful journey with you. God willing, I would want to do more films here with you and create more beautiful memories. Thank you, Vamshi Garu. Like I always say, Venki came from here, Vamshi sir came from here, from the Telugu states. I'm from Tamil Nadu, Mamita from Kerala, Ravina ma'am from Maharashtra. We all speak different languages, but you have erased everything. You have accepted one beautiful film and you said like, this is one film and this is one emotion. You have accepted this interpersonal relationship. Again, you have given life for this family genre film. My previous film would have been a very, very different film, but you all came to the theaters and you said like, this is an important film and it is important to talk about such film. Be it Andhra, Telangana, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, even in Karnataka, overseas, overwhelming love. It's not just respect. You all have given lot of success with lot of respect and with lot of love, and you've again making our people in the art form remember family genres again very, very important. Trivikram sir, you've always insisted on that and you have made all of us believe. Venki, thank you so much for again making people believe this film works, and this is very, very important. Success, I think, can't be measured with the number of tickets sold. What happens to the conversations after the film? What happens to the emotion people carry after this film? What happens to the tears? What happens to the, all the smiles? I think all these emotions can't be put in a balance sheet. So I think business is, of course, money is very, very important, but this art form and this kind of a conversation, this kind of an emotion which you might talk after 2 years, that is equally important. Hats off to your writing. Thank you for giving beautiful women characters like Ravina ma'am, Radhika ma'am, and Mamita. Thank you for coming and watching these films for women characters also. I don't have to go back and thank all the technicians, but this has been a very, very important journey for me, and you have made every day really, really special. Thank you again for making us believe in beautiful film, in family genre, and interpersonal relationship. Movies are very, very important. I'm sure there'll be a lot of films coming, and like all our respectful distributors are saying, the numbers have been doubled from an opening day to a Saturday and Sunday to double. It is amazing, and also have to tell a special thanks to all the Telugu audience, because here apart from all the languages, we are getting lot of love from all the languages, but here at least 25 centers are extra in Telangana and Andhra. You have owned the film and made it even more special. Just day before we had a function here, 2-3 days back we had a function here, and Akifa, our stylist, she said, sir, this costume we can keep it for the thank you meet, success meet. I said, movie is not yet released. She's right here. Yeah. Akifa said, this costume you can keep, sir, for the success meet. I felt it was a very positive sign, a very sweet, nice sign. And today I'm wearing her dress which she had kept for the success meet and thank you meet. So thank you for giving that positive energy. So everybody has given a lot of love for this film. I don't have to repeat the words Venki had said, but this is a lot of love poured into film, and we believed in a film and it was not the trend. Definitely action films are always in the trend, but this time make us believe in this is really emotional. And to all my fans everywhere, என்னோட தமிழ் ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு, கேரளாவில் இருக்கிற ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு, கர்நாடகா இருக்கிற ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு, உலகம் பூரா இருக்கிற தமிழ் ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு எல்லாம் இந்த படத்தை ஓன் பண்ண all the cinema lovers and all the women, all the family people who have gone to the theaters on the first day and supported this film. And I'm hearing beautiful conversations in the social media. So to all the reviewers, to all the critics, to all the press and media, from here, from this stage, I want to thank all the language people for owning this film and making it yours and giving us this respectful, beautiful success. Thank you so much.
సార్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. మళ్ళీ ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ తర్వాత సంజయ్ అన్న పేరు విని చాలా అమేజింగ్గా అనిపించింది. మిమ్మల్ని అంత స్టైలిష్గా చూసి, అఫ్కోర్స్ మీరు చాలా స్టైలిష్గా, చాలా హ్యాండ్సమ్గా ఉంటారు, అది తెలిసిందే. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఆ మదర్ బాండింగ్, లైక్ దానికి చాలా అంటే చాలామంది సూపర్ కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయారు. అండ్ రియల్ లైఫ్లో మీ మదర్ రిలేషన్షిప్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? వీ జస్ట్ వాంటెడ్ టు నో దట్, లైక్ ఎవ్రీబడి వాంట్స్ టు నో దట్. అంటే డెఫినెట్లీ వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ మదర్ ఇందులో రాధిక మ్యామ్. సో
I think Radhika ma'am has added a lot of grace, and people are separately going to watch Radhika ma'am in this film. And she's really, I don't know, sure, she's a remarkable actor, but I personally had a wonderful time shooting with her, and I'm surprised to see the chemistry which they talk about, Radhika ma'am and Mamita, mine and Radhika ma'am scene, mine and Ravina ma'am scenes. In fact, I have to thank Ravina ma'am because the important scene when we were shooting, she had fever. It was 12 o'clock in the night. It was almost 8 degrees in Ooty. But throughout the night, she was with us and she supported, and we were able to finish the scene. I still remember how you supported us to finish the shoot. Yeah, so interpersonal relationship, and people who have not still watched the film, please go watch the film and take back a lot of good memories.
అయినా సార్ వన్ లాస్ట్ అండ్ ఫైనల్ క్వశ్చన్ సార్, రెండు కలిపి అడిగేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఈ సినిమా జ్యోతిక గారు చూసారా? చూసే టైం దొరికిందా? చూస్తే ఏమన్నారు? అది ఒక క్వశ్చన్ సార్. అండ్ ఇంకొక క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే, అఫ్కోర్స్ యువర్ కిడ్స్ ఆర్ గ్రోన్ అప్ నౌ, బట్ మళ్ళీ అగైన్ అంత చిన్న బాబుతో యాక్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు మీ లైక్ పేరెంటింగ్ డేస్ గుర్తొచ్చాయా?
Every actor will bring back his own past memory. Apart from what is there in the scene, you go back and you kick in your old past memories, and that's how I at least can emote in front of camera. So of course a lot of memories came when we were shooting.
And Jyotika ma'am watch చేస్తున్నారు సో. Okay, thank you so much, and we have a cake cutting. So yes, celebration.